Today is March the 26th and the final day of Viking Splash over here at Legoland Windsor. Hello everybody and welcome back to Theme Park Coastin, and once again another very sad video on the channel, because as you saw, a quick introduction, this is the closing day of Viking Splash. Been open since 2007, I'm pretty sure, isn't it?
Yep, something like that.
Yeah, and now it's stayed open. There's so many great memories on it, but today is its final day. And with me today, we've got Adam joining us along this adventure. We're going to head down here, we're going to do many fun stuff on the ride, and of course, show you what's happening on its last ever day. So Adam, as we make our way now down towards Land of the Vikings, which may also be going, you never know really.
It could be, yeah.
You've got a bit of a challenge, don't you? Because one thing that Viking Splash is not good for is the photos.
On-ride photography, yeah.
Yes.
So basically, as many of you know, there's many rides at this park where, of course, they take your photo on ride. And Viking Splash has always been one of those that I've never got, because sometimes the boat's actually cut out. I'm not sure why that is, but yeah, it's been cut out recently. So I'm hoping we get a pretty good sort of side, and also as well, of course, you have to be on the right side for the camera, else if you're not, then you can't see yourself.
Yeah, so you're determined today to get a photo on the ride, and we will be going around many times until you get that final of the day photograph. And here we now make our way down towards the area where Viking Splash calls home for one last day, unfortunately. Is looking at the queue right now, even on the closing day, it doesn't very long. Of course, it is a Monday. I think it's a bit of an unusual day to close on, and yesterday it got 60-minute-ish queues.
I think it's like 60 to 80 minutes, so quite a long time actually, but today seems pretty quiet, which is good.
Yeah, it seems really quiet. Of course, as it is after school, we now have nipped up here to go on this and share with you guys. Just entered the queue line itself, and already have got a pop badge. The staff up there giving everyone who rides this ride on the last ever day a pop badge. Hello, how you doing over here? Last day of Viking Splash? Oh, it is good to be here. We've got pop badges as well. No, it's really awesome. They just give you pop badges around and get everyone to celebrate the last day, because I don't think anything to Merlin, there's no going to be big confetti or fireworks or stuff like that. What they do is make it a little bit special, so if you are visiting on the last ever day, you've got something to remember it by.
Welcome to Vikings River Splash.
Just had our first ride of many on the last day of Viking Splash, and it's a good ride. I mean, we'll try more in a second, but it's good as going, I'll be honest.
To it, to be honest. I mean, it's
Used
really
to
gone
be.
downhill. Yeah,
Used to be.
exactly. Like back in 2007 or whatever.
Which actually was only 6 months after you were born.
Yeah, which one makes it. So the year this was open was actually the year I was born, which is pretty cool. But yeah, to think it's like that old is pretty crazy. But it has definitely gone downhill since it opened.
Yeah, so sometimes we get a photo, if we get a photo, oh, is it good? Because we can't film our photos, but you tell us if it's good or not. Is it good?
It's terrible.
Is it terrible?
Yeah, right off.
Right one, terrible.
Nope.
So whilst we stand outside where you used to be able to shoot the riders going past with water guns, I think it's time to have a little bit of history about Viking Splash itself, as after riding it, you really realise how little's there anymore. When it first opened up, of course you do not need 15 staff to run it, but there's 15 staff you need to run Viking Splash at the moment. But also there's so much more on the ride itself as well, including of course the water guns when you first got off. Actually, even before that you had the ladies to square out their mouth of water. When you made your way around here, you had mist tunnels there as well as stuff like that, and then you had more people shooting water, clear way around, you had more water effects, more like that, until the end where you had that giant bucket. And I understand there's some things they have to remove throughout years, and with of course the unfortunate accident over at Drayton Manor, they did have to remove a lot of the water effects, but I think at a minimum mist going out there, you can have that still.
Definitely.
I mean, even Drayton Manor's log film still has that.
Exactly. I mean, there's a lot that they've taken away from this attraction, which is a massive shame to us. As you just said, Drayton Manor's Rapids is actually really improved.
Currently the best in the UK, so
yeah,
with this one closing, of course, if you want to do some rapids, go to Drayton Manor, because they've got the best rapids around.
I mean, the thing is, there are a couple of theories of what's going to be next to this attraction, and we'll get more into that a bit later, but yeah, to be honest, I wish they sort of put something on for the last day. Of course, you did get the pop badge, which was really nice, but I felt like they may have, or they could have added some water effects, or even just some mist effects, as you said. As
we were filming clips, these people who just went into where we were said that they rode this ride 17 times today. 17 times!
That's crazy.
Obviously to celebrate the 17 years, well,
16 years.
16 years, oh, 16 times, wasn't it? Yeah,
it must be
16 times, 16 years have been open. I mean, that's quite a nice thing to do. Of course, we were a little bit busy throughout today. You were at school, I was working,
I mean, I literally went straight out of school and I was straight in a car and down here, so
literally,
nice,
we just have that commitment. We're like, Viking Splash is closing, we've got to go down and do it.
We didn't actually know how to get down here originally as well, but luckily, Tom's friend let us come down here. So.
Yeah, I mean, we've been the last weeks or so trying to plan a way to get down, because normally I get the bus down, and the bus service is amazing where we live to get down over here to Legoland, but course, because you finished school at 3 o'clock, there was no bus even at the right time.
Yeah,
so
and we would have got here like 40 past 3.
Yeah,
40 past 4, sorry.
it all just got a little bit confusing. So at the end of the day, we got down here now, and we're over here for the last day. Even though Viking Splash, of course, is definitely closing and changing something brand new, Spinning Spiders officially is still located over in the land of the Vikings. So there's a chance it's going to be rethemed. You did talk on the service the other day, and they said that it's not going to be changed.
But
it doesn't mean they're not going to change the theming of the ride, because of course, similar to many rides that used to be located actually, rough right now when the Jaga used to be, stuff changed. And even if they don't change the ride, you never know, we might lose this beloved child attraction too. So, of course, take a little bit of a ride in it. Spinning Spiders time. Woo. A little fun fact for you guys, it was not only Viking Splash as well as Spinning Spiders that were in the land of the Vikings, but also what is now called Destiny Bounty 2, and I think it was like Loki something. I know the maze was Loki's, and if you've been here before, make sure you comment down below, because that maze, personally, I enjoy more than Ninjago right behind me now. But it was never right over in this area, and it was really, really nice. I did love the old Vikings area, but since they removed it and put Ninjago in back in 2017, it's just had to go a bit downhill with all the effects and everything, and I think even Spinning Spiders back there, it's just time they remove it, they revamp it, and everything really nice and new in. But making our way now back up towards the Viking Splash. It's not why we're not too lazy, we're not going to be going taking this for the sake of it. However, we are if...
A little bit too long.
Is it too long? Yeah, really got a little bit of time left, maybe we're not. Change of plan. What we were originally planning to do was go on the hill train and then make our way up to the top. Show you some shots as well of Viking Splash along the way, but the queue was just too long. I think at the end of the day, it's not worth spending the rest of the day on the hill train and not going on this ride that we came here to go and experience, because it's still going around. We've still got some more videos to get for you guys, of course. Lots of the time that we are here, we've only been here for an hour actually, but lots of the time that we are here is just filming more videos, filming more clips, and
we've only had one ride on
getting memories as well.
Yeah, that's the thing, because we've been here, like we come down here every week and everything.
Yeah, well actually we're coming down 3 more times this week. We're going to have a Halloween this Thursday, so stay tuned to that vlog. Similar to this one, it will be uploaded on the day that it opens up.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty insane, because we come down here a lot, and obviously Viking Splash is such an important ride to so many people, and for us as well, we've been here like every week riding that ride. And even though it maybe has gone downhill quite a bit since it opened, you know, it's still really sad to see it go, and obviously it's another attraction from quite an early year at Legoland, so yeah, it's quite sad.
This ride will be closing forever in 20 minutes time.
Oh, not long to go. Whilst having a look at the photo, look at this view. I don't ever noticed it, but there's a pretty good view of the ride from these little windows. And if you look out of them, we're in the exit, of course. Not what you're going to be able to do if you're watching this vlog right now, but yeah, you see the boats go past it, you just missed one. Pretty cool. And here we now go for our final ride ever on Viking Splash. You know what? This is what I've never done before. Walking the entire of this queue line. No ducking under, we're going to go back and forth the entire way. Here we go. And there you go. Why is now closed?
Touch queue line is now closed for the final time. This is a staff announcement. Lucy, can you please close the queue? That's Lucy, please close the queue.
And there you go, from our final ride on Viking River Splash. And just there goes the final public boat of Viking Splash. To be honest, I never thought I'd get sad for closing of a ride, but there you go, Viking Splash. It's sad. I think more to remember what I had as my childhood than what it is now. I mean, right now we can go, but it's over.
It is sad. I mean, as you just said, I don't think it would be this sad to be honest. But as I said, like this opened on the year I was born, which is crazy.
Yeah, it's as old as you are.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, it's a little bit older than I am. It's a couple months older than I am, but yeah, you know, it's pretty insane that, of course, it's lasted for this long, because it hasn't been very good the past few years. But of course, even though it hasn't been that great, and I do think it should go, so I am pleased about it. It is a shame, and yeah, I'm always gonna love this ride, whatever happens to it.
And to be honest, I want to put out there, Merlin, what they've done for the ending hasn't been amazing. What the staff has done though has made it.
Yeah,
the staff are having so much fun, just between themselves as well. They were getting out pop badges, they were cheering, they were having a good time, and I feel that is what made the closing for me. I mean, look at who you got.
And this is just me.
And that's just a few of them, yeah. Well, so. They really made the ending really, really nice and enjoyable. So that's it from that is it from Viking River Splash.
And it's weird to say that.
Yeah. Goodbye.